Wow, this is so bad. The old and the new. Look at the new one and look at the old one. Another issue, check this out. Y'all seen this? This popped out. It started misfiring. So check your wiring. All you gotta do is push this back in. Dang. Okay, so today we're replacing the ignition coil on a Toyota, Mazda, or a Scion. Okay, same thing. But check this out, plastic engine. Don't let that fool you though. 120,000 miles. No issue. Okay? Blast. Here we go. We got the new ignition coils for $80. Look the same. I don't know if it's the same brand, but you can get these online. Toyota wanted to charge me $300 plus labor. Almost $1,200, $1,300. This is a Mazda. As you can see, this is a Mazda part on a Toyota. I know, right? Alright, so this is pretty easy. I'm noticing that my vehicle is consuming more gas, a little shaking once in a while. When I first start the vehicle, the RPMs are real high, and there's some misfiring once in a while. I don't necessarily have to do this, but I'm doing it because I'm at 120,000 miles, okay? And this right here is an issue for me. Now, Toyota says it's no problem. You can go for 200,000 miles before you got to replace these. And they're right. You don't have to replace this. I do it because I care. All right, so this, you just push down and pop up like so. Okay, pretty easy. And the new one just slips right in. Now, like I said, the wiring issue. Remember, check the wiring. It slips right back in. Make sure it's nice and snug, because you may have an issue of misfiring if the wiring or it's not all the way on properly. Okay, beautiful. Because it gets hot here. It gets hot. The engine area, the wiring, all the plastic, it melts a little, right? And so, yeah. And if you're afraid, don't be. Because I am no scientist, no mechanic, but I do this all the time. Just because I love my vehicle. And as you can see, it's a plastic engine. At least the top part's plastic. Works fine, man. Beautiful. Now,